G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Joe and this is Titan Trails.
Oh yeah, you better run. You stay well, buddy.
In our first stop in Cairns, we decided to stop at Rusty's Markets. We really needed our coffee shot and we had one of the best coffees we've ever had. This place was chaos, but in the best way. We decided to buy some fruit just to get us ready for the big day we would have ahead. Oh, and not to mention there was a cyclone category 5 not that far up north from where we were. Can barely see the road now. Good thing is Tella's driving. Here we go, we're entering Coranda. That's the river. Bit brown.
Yeah, follow the Titan in the trails. The man is that Titan in the trails where you catch that fish and you eat the fish. It's a very good fish. Yeah, man.
We made our way into the butterfly sanctuary. I don't know what it is, but I've always had a soft spot for butterflies. I think the way they fly, how magical, how easygoing they are with life.
One's got the tail up, the other one's got the tail down. This one's got a very different coloration. There we go. Cairns Falls, look out that way.
We're passing through this waterfall right now. And at this stage I got the worst news ever that led me onto day 2. That's right, I was meant to be on a fishing charter that just randomly got cancelled. I don't even want to go down that way. But I got the car, drove down to BCF, bought a new fishing line, fishing rod, bought everything I had to buy, and I just found the nearest creek where I could fish on. And guess what? I really enjoyed it.
That made me sweat. I'm getting closer to the river mouth. Just gonna follow this dog print. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but yeah. It's hot. It is hot. Crocodile infested waters. Hot weather. And here we are. Finally a bit more space. There we go. This is a lucky cast. A massive storm coming ahead. This one just there. I'm gonna try and walk this area and chuck a few casts. It's just gotta be extra vigilant because this place really gives the vibe of crocodiles. I wonder if there's anything in these creeks.
And now it's where things are really about to get interesting.
Even afraid to cast. Yeah, fish on, fish on. Oh my God. Oh, that was fast. Come on, mate, what are you? There's nothing behind. Yeah. Oh. Where are you? Oh, it's a trevally. Easy, mate. Stop jumping. What? She's got a massive trevally. Wow. Wow. Just gonna try. I'm gonna remove the hook from this guy. Sorry, mate. This is not ideal, I know. It's not ideal, but it works. Well, big trap. Here we go, mate. Thank you, thank you. I don't want to get too close, just because, you know, it's kind of like there's crocodiles in there, but yes, 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 yes. And that's why, guys, and that's why persistence. Yeah, I'm shaking, but I'm super excited. I caught a good sized trevally. Oh, there's a dog swimming in the water. Oh well. Got a good sized trevally, so I'm just gonna keep casting and casting. The day has just started for me, guys. Oh, so excited. So time to head back to the car. We fair bit away. We've been walking all morning, casting all morning. Did catch one fish. Oh, is that a fish? It's starting to rain. Oh, shit cast. Here we go. Just a second, guys. Here we go. Yeah, it is starting to rain, so we'll slowly make our way back. I'll be checking a few more casts and I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes. Oh. These crocodile marks? Oops. Just gonna keep walking, keep my eyes peeled. We never know. Yeah, the tides ran so much down because a while ago when I came on that way, like had to go into the mangroves, which seemed a bit sketchy, but seemed like the safest option. Now gotta find the exit to get back to the car. I should be alright. I just need to see where there's crossings. Does it look like a good crossing to you guys? Well, so this one should be alright. One side looks safe ish. I miss the MUX so much. Here's a beast. Ever go for a walk in the forest, and you should always consider appropriate footwear. I'm always carrying my all-terrain footwear. Ready? You watch this. My trusty old thongs. Now, imagine you're walking rainforest and you get lost. You'll find two people to help you, Tarzan or Jane. Just let me down in the comments below who you'd rather take help from. Why would you choose one or the other? Have a good look at that lizard. I'm gonna try and be as slow as possible. He's just there chilling. I'm not sure what kind of lizard that is. I'm gonna try to get a bit closer. Gotta be careful. There's some massive ants here as well. I don't want them on my feet because they should hurt. It's actually pretty chilled. There, look guys. How beautiful. Wow, he's not fazed at all that I'm here. He's staring at me. Look, just blinking your eye. You're beautiful, mate. You are a beautiful mate. How good is that? I'm like this far away from him and he's not doing anything, going anywhere. Look. Whoa. Thanks, mate. I'll leave it be.
Coming this way, look at the no, it's too close.
It's big, eh? He's looking at me. Yeah, he's feeling threatened. Go, go, go. Sorry, mate.